Okay, my people, I don't come with this ogbonga simple princess bustier cut. I say make I put una through this process. For this part, I don't already draft my bust point, my bust length, my under bust, my half length, my blouse length. But for this part now, they do my bust pan. Wetin be bust pan? Bust pan na your nipple to nipple. My nipple to nipple na 3.5. See me, I dey mark am. I don't already mark my 3.5 out. And the next thing what I go do be say I go put my 2.5. It is your choice. If you do 2.5, 2 inches, now your choice depends on how busty you are. Me, I'm not too busty, so I use 2.5, and I want it to be deep, so that is why I'm using 2.5. So for this part now, I dey measure my shoulder. My shoulder now 16 divided by 2, that is 8, plus half inch sewing allowance. For here, I mark am for the bust line. Now be your armhole length. Now be bust line. You can call it armhole length or bust line. So I don't mark am. From here, I dey take my neck depth. My neck depth and my neck round na 3.5 and 3. Yeah, I dey use my curve ruler take mark out my neck depth, everything concerning the neck. So after that one, I go mark out my shoulder slant. I dey use 1 inch. If you use half inch, it depends on you. Me, I dey prefer to use 1 inch. So after that one, I go divide my armhole, that is divided by 2. After I don't take the shoulder slant, so for here it dey give me 3 point something. Then I go in by 3/8. After that one, I go just carry my curve ruler take do am. The armhole curves, this is very, very important. I go just mark them like so. Then the next thing what I go do, I go just go up by 1 inch from that place. That is my angle 45. I go just cover them like so. Just like so, very easy and simple. You have to just watch it very closely. Then the next thing, I'll take my round bust. My round bust now 40 divided by 4, that is 10. Then I will add my 2 inches allowance. Then for this part, I go divide my waist divided by 4, then plus the 2 inches allowance. Then you know, say for this part, we get our 2.5 wey dey this middle. Then we go add them join. That is for the dart. Then the next thing for the waist too, the same thing. Then you go add your 2.5 inches allowance plus your 2 inches allowance. So now so it just be. Then for this part, my waist now 40. I go mark my 10 plus my 2.5 inches allowance, then plus the 2 inches allowance for sewing. Now so you can do 1.5. You can even do 1 inch. If you are doing a corset, you might not even need to add an allowance for sewing. So this is it. Then you go mark them like so. Mark them out, make it clean, kia. So as you don't do them like this, you go rule this part out. Make una not mind my voice over. I'm just trying to make it at least as sweet as it could be. Chee. Then the next thing I say, we go come mark. After we don't divide them, we go just take your ruler, slant them straight. Very, very easy. Then after you don't do them, you go divide that place. You go say you go do your dart to hold them, make it not buff. Then you go just slant them, bam, like that. 1 inch is enough. Some people can do 1 inch on both sides, that's 2 inches, but you can do half an inch on both sides. Then you do them like you slant this part. This part is very critical. Then after we don't slant them, we go just cut them like so. Then you go make sure say everything blend. You go try your best to blend them in, make it not get this pointy effect. You go blend them in. Then for here, you are going to take the side dart for the bust point. You will take half inch on both sides, that is 1 inch in total. Then you just roll them straight down to the bust point. After you don't roll them straight down to the bust point, you see say for here they mark out this part is the part that is going out. This is where you're going to cut out. So after you don't do them like that, the next thing you go do be say you go just carry your curve ruler, mark the next, that's the next armhole curve, where the armhole go take the next one. Because as you don't do it, you go see say new allowance there. You go just take them straight down. Then you go carry your scissors, you go cut them out. Here they cut them out because I want to show now one simple hack. So after you don't cut them out, you go cut this part come out like this. Just cut them out like that. Then you go fold in the dart for the armhole like so. You can actually cut the middle part, is your choice, but me, I just decided to do it like that for easy access and for you to understand better. Then I use my tape, gum them down. Then the next thing what I go do now, say I go take my curve ruler, then I go try blend that place in, make it for round. You understand? You just blend it in like so. Then you cut it out like this. Very, very simple and easy. This is the simplest princess bustier you can ever get. Any question you have, feel free to leave it on the comment section. I will definitely reply you 100%. This part, I'm trying to show you the parts that is going to go out. I'm cutting it out like so. Then this part I'm going up, it depends on you, is your choice. I'm going up by 2 inches. Then you can just play around it. Then I'm just slanting it out like so. Very, very easy and simple. Then this part I'm showing you the part that is still going out. This other part is going out. That is it. That we took close to the bust pan is going out like so. You notch the bust points, you notch everywhere around, you notch. Then this part, I just want to show you how beautiful the effect is going to be. After marking it out and after gumming, this is what you have. See how pointy and how fine it is. Then I'm just trying to show you that if you want to get your underbust corset from here, you can get your underbust corset from here. Just rule it out like so. Freehand, very easy and simple. This one does not really have any measurement. You see, you have gotten your underbust corset from here. Thank you.